Dear student, topic for this section is personal software process, that is PSP. PSP is based on the work of David Humphrey Hum 1997. PSP is a scaled down version of the industrial software process. PSP is suitable for individual use, means it is suitable for individuals use. It is important to note that the CMM does not tell the software developer how to analyze, design, code, test and document the software products, but it is used for the team. Okay, but the PSP recognizes that the process for individual use is different from the necessary for a team. The quality and productivity of an engineer is to the great extent dependent on his process. So PSP is a framework that helps engineers to measure and improve the way they work. It is used for the individuals. It helps in developing personal skills and method by estimating and planning, or by showing how to track the performance against the plans. So it consists of two activities. First is time measurement and PSP planning. So time measurement means the software engineer can measure their time for each and every activity. As we know, PSP advocates that engineers should track the way they spend time, because in some cases boring activity may be stretched and interesting activities are completed in the short time. So therefore the actual time spent on a task should be measured with the help of stopwatch. So you can use a stopwatch to measure the time which is required for specification, designing, then coding and testing, and the clock may be stopped when you are doing the another work. Next activity is PSP planning. So individual must plan their project. As we know, if we want to do any task, we make the plan of our individuals. So likewise, individual must plan their activity. They must estimate the maximum, minimum and average LOC required for the product. Okay, and they should use their productivity in minutes per LOC to calculate the maximum, minimum and the average development time. Okay, so this PSP consists of the logs which is required for planning, designing, coding, compiling, testing and post-mortem of the project activities, and it is used by the individual engineer to measure the time for the tasks they are doing. Okay, so thank you so much.